Despite the flight cancellations due to the COVID-19 Omicron variant, more than 200,000 tourists have managed to make it to Rio de Janeiro ahead of New Year's Eve. Foreigners and Brazilians who arrive from abroad, however, must present proof of vaccination and a negative test for COVID-19.
I think the most important thing is for all of us to be healthy and safe in the new year, regardless. In general, we love Brazil.
The city's hotels are fully booked. The situation is even looking better than the past 2 years, after Brazil announced several COVID-19 preventive measures, according to Rio's Hotel Association.
Following these rules, we are going to be able to do an amazing event. Looking at last year, we had 41% occupancy. This year, the city will be over 100%.
City officials have imposed some restrictions for the event. No car or public transportation traffic will be allowed to reach the world-famous fireworks here on Copacabana Beach on December 31st, with other firework displays taking place in 9 other locations to avoid crowds. There will be no outdoor concerts this year, but the 16 minutes of spectacular pyrotechnics and music will take place. But while Rio's City Hall and the tourism sector seem to be embracing these special measures for ringing in 2022, health experts warn they will still not be strict enough to prevent the spread of the highly contagious Omicron variant. Dr. Margarete Dalcomo, one of Brazil's top scientists and a vaccine advocate, does not recommend any large gathering at this time.
It could be reasonable to have, I would say, small meetings, but not these big events, big gathering of people, even being outside. I think that there is a risk. And some authorities are saying that the risk is calculated, but it's not calculated when we are dealing with a new strain, which consequences we are not fully aware.
Rio de Janeiro has already lost nearly 70,000 lives to the virus, and nobody knows if this New Year's Eve party will trigger another wave of infections or fatalities. It seems likely the impact will depend on the decisions people make as they welcome in a better year. Lucrecia, Franco, CGTN, Rio de Janeiro.